Hello, welcome to Russian for Beginners Lesson 3, Conversation, Greetings and Introductions. Hello, Здравствуйте. This is a universal greeting. It is formal and it shows respect to the person, and it can also be plural for two or more people. The root of the word is здоровье, which means health. So literally when you greet someone, you wish them health. Goodbye. До свидания. Literally, it means until meeting. The root of the word is видеть, which is to see, and in English there is a similar concept, vista or visual, related to the concept of sight and seeing. Hi, привет. This is informal, a friendly way of greeting. Bye, пока, informal or friendly way of taking a leave. Good afternoon. Добрый день. Literally, it means kind day. Good morning. Доброе утро. Good evening. Добрый вечер. How's it going? Как дела? Literally, it means how are things, how are affairs. Everything's fine. Все хорошо. Everything's great. Все отлично. Everything's okay. Все нормально. What is your name? Как вас зовут? My name is. Меня зовут. Who is that? Кто это? This is my friend. Это мой друг. This is my husband. Это мой муж. This is my brother. Это мой брат. This is my father. Это мой отец. This is my girlfriend. Это моя подруга. This is my wife. Это моя жена. This is my sister. Это моя сестра. Please note that the word подруга means a female friend. There's no such a concept as girlfriend or boyfriend in Russian. These concepts are feminine and these concepts are masculine. And the word друг means friend, but it comes to the closer of the concept of close friend or best friend in Russian. And друг can be both male and female friend, while подруга is only for female friends. Glad to meet you. Приятно познакомиться. Literally, pleasant to meet. Very nice to meet you. Очень приятно. Literally, very pleased. That's the end for today's lesson. До свидания.